What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be doing the part 2 of opening this huge box with a bunch of cards in it. And you're probably thinking, like, how did you get this much cards? Well, I had more if you watched the part 1, but this is a lot of cards, I'm not going to lie, and I'm excited to open them. So, let's get started. Here we go. Oh, I see a rainbow. Parnard. Shinizurza. Toadbulb. Numo. Team Stargrunt. Alexaria. Mowl. Buffalant. Team Stargrunt. Sizer. And then, dang. I think that was a duplicate, honestly. I really don't know. I think it was, though. Didn't we get the Sizer guy or whatever? I'm not sure. It's acting all fishy this whole time. We got, like, doubles of everything. Alright, Barboach, Wiglet, Skeevo, Palbito, I don't know, Tazarina, Luxrio, Probass, Hounder, Palatoad, and Claydol again, dude. What? Okay, Dragonite it is, but that's weird though. I'm not even gonna lie. It's like so fishy. We think, never mind. I thought it was a cut open. I was about to say that's their solution. All right. Oh my god, I thought that was Charizard. I was like, wow. Heatmore, Lillipup, Toxel. Caradelli, I don't know. Among Us, Seismitoad, Herbolovia, Coppat. Ooh, Lavatar. That's actually good. I think that's an alternate art too. Damn. That's a really good card. Okay, this card it is. Let's open it up. And let's get Charizard once again. I still can't get over that one Charizard that we got, the shining one. That was like my best card ever I've pulled, especially on camera. Karagatic, Ponard. What the heck? I can't hold these cards right for some reason. What the heck? What is wrong with these cards? Alright. Whatever. Tadbulb. Magnezone. I have no clue. Mowl. Ooh. Camperup. And. Ooh. Ninetales. And Gita. It's Gita. Okay. This pack. Oh, Charizard. Okay. I don't know why I'm obsessed with Charizard. Every time I see Charizard, I'm like, oh. Okay. So far the pack, this video has been my best. Larvis, Frungus, Pidgey, Litwack, Crumble, King Gambit. What the heck, dude? It's Peppa Pork's girlfriend, Yungoos, Pidgey, and Togekiss. Wow. Okay, I know you want the Charizard, and I knew you were going to think I was going to go for it, but no. Hopefully there's something good, like Charizard. Okay, Loink, Togepi, Lampet, Gloom, Poppy, Lunatune, Dartrix, Bronzong, Poppy, and is that a rainbow? Thunderous again, bro. Okay, we're going for Charizard. Charizard. I know the packs don't mean anything, but I like just like, I don't know. I like looking at the packs and like see which one it is. I don't know why. Okay, wait. Shuckle, Bisharp, Magaton, Typo, it's B-Guy. Bigiroto, Dragonair, Armorouge, Mowl, and Lapras. I know him. He's really good. And Darkrai. Sorry to break the news to you, but we're not going to be opening them all of today because the video might be a little too long. I know it's only like 5 minutes in or something, but I don't know. I just want to like split up my videos and not open all the packs in one day, if you know what I mean. Because it's like, it's satisfying when maybe you could get a good card tomorrow instead of like getting all the good cards in one day. Young Goose, Charmander, we got like 2 of them. Dragon Tea, Oddish, Letter of Encouragement, Chandelure, Patrol Cap. It's Doggy, Rockruff. Hey, I have a real life Pokemon. I have a dog, Drampa. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Bro. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh my god. Bro. Wow. Bro, I did not expect that. Dang. Wow. Amazing pull. Amazing pull. Dang. I am so happy right now. I knew there was going to be a Charizard in here. Out of 36 packs, I knew it. Mouth. Tagadarumu. Graver. Loincorn. Buffalo Ant. Oh my gosh. Crabnable. King Gambit. Time Pull and Togepi. Huh? That's pretty good. And ooh, Palafin. Dang. At this point, I think I'm Ash in real life. Literally. I pull everything. I gotta catch them all. Panard, Lillipup, Crabaro, Claffy, Sharpedo, Lil Noon, Darman. I don't even know at this point. Dartix. What the heck? These Pokemon have weird names. And it's a electric energy. Let's see who it is. Thunderous again. That's it. Whew, it's Charizard again. Let's see if we can pull the Charizard again. There's like 3 of them in this pack, so I have no clue what that one was, but I know it was good. I'm just still in shock. Like, I honestly was losing hope that we were gonna get like even like something that's like remotely good. We already got good stuff, but like the Charizard just blew my mind. Togepi, Lampent, Gloom, Bronzer. Bro, why do we keep getting this? Why do we keep getting this too? Chandler from Mr. Beast. Bruh. Go! Wait. Oh. No, wait, this is another one. Oh. Ooh, School EX. After this grumpy pig, bro. School EX, dang. And Toxicity. Dang, bro. Okay, let's open it up. Can't open it up. There we go. Alright. Zigzagoon. Scyther. Melton. I don't know. Jake Paul. I don't know. Scaresromy. Espion. Eevee, and Shmarkme, I don't know, and Gita. Oh, it's Dragonite. Let's see Dragonite's in the Dragonite pack. Let's see. Vulpix, Froakie, I don't know, Buizel, Dragonite, Nair, Armoround, Ortega, Scyther, Darkrai, and Basic Energy. 2 Darkrai's. Okay, that's the last pack, guys. I'm sorry. Psych. Well, there's many more, but I'm gonna be hosting a game show. For tonight's game show, there is gonna be a contest to see which pack is better, Dragonite or Green Guy. Here we go. Green Guy goes first. Numel, Maul, I don't know, Graver, Erwin, Stinkish, Umbreon, Eevee, Swablu, Claydol again, and nothing. Claydol is a good card. Now, we're going to be opening this card. It's a Dragonite card. Hopefully we get Dragonite. Snooble, Capskid, Shaku, Hatred Cap. I don't even know. Pokemon League headquarters. What is this? Toad School. Toad is cool. Toad School. Granbull and Togekiss again. Who do you think won? If I had to say my favorite card, I'm gonna judge by looks, their name, and yeah. So Claydol is pretty cool. He has cool looks. And Togekiss, he literally looks like a robot bird. So the winner of the annual Pokemon test is Claydol. He won. Wow. Never would have expected it. But anyways, I hope you guys have a good day. And I'm going to be making a part 3 in a couple days. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, and like so you can know when my next video happens. Those are all my good cards. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.